Khosi. Khosi. Wait there, right? Right?
No, don't come there, come there.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, don't come there.
All right.
Come here, come here.
You Khosi, right? Khosi. I want a favor. Listen to me. Okay, I know you don't know me. I don't know you. I just saw like, I see what I see and I believe what I see when I see what I see. To me, you Khosi. To you, I might be somebody else, right? I'm Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Yeah, but not one Mohammed. Mohammed.
Two Mohammed.
Two Mohammeds, but one me.
Where's other Mohammed?
It's me. It's one me, but two Mohammed.
Mohammed.
Yes.
Like Bafana.
Yes, but there's one Bafana.
Oh.
Yes. Listen, I woke up with this beautiful dream, right? I always dream, but this time it was real. It was like a dream, but a real dream in a dream. I saw myself more like Rips and Rips. You know Rebecca Malope, right?
Rebecca singing.
Singing, that
Yes.
Rebecca.
Me, I like.
Yes. I want me, you make me, hey.
It's Chebula.
No. You make me, hey. Right. I want when people look at me, I want people to say, there is Rebecca.
So you take her like her ntlanhla, like her luck.
No. I'm a singer. I'm a gospel singer, right?
Okay.
But I like hairstyle. So when I sing, I want people, if they want to book Rebecca Malope, they must book me, but they want her, but they must book me
So
instead
they're
of
thinking Rebecca, then they're thinking Mohammed.
Mohammed is Rebecca.
So they liking Rebecca, they phoning Mohammed.
Yeah! Got it. Yeah. They like Rebecca, but they call me to perform Rebecca.
But they call you, then you sing what?
I sing Rebecca.
You can sing Rebecca?
You?
Sing me Rebecca.
Okay. What's your favorite song?
Is all of the above.
Okay. Nyegrani hambe, nyekaya zorini, nyegrani hambe, nyekaya zorini.
So people, they want money back, you sing this.
Nyegrani hambe, nyekaya zorini, nyegrani hambe.
Mohammed.
No, Rebecca, I'm Rebecca now. You're confusing me.
People, they want the money back if you sing this like Rebecca.
But Rebecca sings like this. So Rebecca sings like me. You don't like it. Do I look like Rebecca now?
How much you have, I make you look. How much, Mohammed?
Huh?
How much you have me, I make you look.
You make me look
Like, yes.
like Rebecca.
Yes.
Ribs and ribs.
Yes.
I give you 5,000.
5,000.
Yeah.
Ah, 5,000.
5,000. Make me look like Rebecca. I make you 5,000.
Rebecca and what? You want it?
Yes. So they must think me. Think Rebecca, think me. Mohammed. See, simple. Now I feel like Rebecca already.
We go home with me. I make candle. I pray you tomorrow. But you pay, then Rebecca.
So I pay first,
Yes.
then I become Rebecca later.
Yes.
Perfect. Because I don't want to be Rebecca now on my way home. Now, it's not going to look nice. Now I'm Rebecca in a taxi.
No.
Nah. Okay, thank you. See you, Marcos. Oh,
With me.
okay.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Subscription is free. Mahala.